My name is Natasha, and I'll be demonstrating to you how to scramble eggs from scratch. What you'll need is some oil, some chili powder, some salt, 2 eggs, a pan, a bowl, and a fork. First, we're going to break 2 eggs into a bowl. And whisk with your fork. Next, we're going to add a pinch of salt and a little bit of chili powder. And mix again. Next, you're going to use half a tablespoon of oil, and turn the stove to medium heat. To test if your pan is hot enough, take a little bit of the mixture and put it in the pan. If it does that, you can pour in the rest of your mixture. When you can see white forming around the sides of the mixture, it's ready to be mixed. Lastly, transfer the scrambled eggs into a plate. Enjoy!